Hello, my name is William and I'm standing here in Ecoride's concept store here in Gothenburg. Today I will show you how to register your Ecoride e-bike. The first step is to scan the QR code, which I do now. You can also go to ecoride.com/reg. Here you fill in your personal information, your first and last name, phone number and email. After that, you will get an email from Ecoride to open that mail and confirm your email address. Now you will get to the page where you fill in your purchase date, and for me it's today, so I will do that now. And you will also have to fill in the numbers on the secret code, which will sit on your keys. So here is the secret code. So I will fill in these now and then press register the bike. And now you can choose between Ecoride Safe, which is the insurance, or you choose Ecoride Track if you only want to use the smart functions like the GPS and the alarm that will send a notification to your phone if someone tries to steal it. So I will choose Ecoride Safe here, and then continue, fill in my purchase details, and then I will press activate. So now the next step is to take out the battery. There will start a countdown for 2 minutes here. So you take out the battery. And then you have to wait 2 minutes before putting it back. I recommend that you do this outside or as close to outside as possible. So I will move the bike here to the door. And now I will put the battery back into the bike. And press start activation. And this can take about 2 minutes. While we're waiting, I can tell you some things about this bike that I'm about to purchase now. This is a Ecoride Generation 4 Tripper. Oh, here's the here's the sound that says that the activation is completed. So now the bike is activated. What you have to do now is to download the Ecoride Connect app. You can go to App Store or Google Play. So I have already downloaded the app, so I will show you a few of the functions. So here, now you can see that the bike is here at Övre Sargatan, where our concept store is. So you have to put on the alarm, then you drag this one like this. So now the alarm is on, and you can unlock the bike before you use it like that. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.